So in today's video, I'll be talking about the trending ChatGPT, which is an open AI that can make your life easier. For example, when you're coding or you want to write a cover letter or do any other stuff with the AI, it will magically do it for you below a minute. That's very fast, and this will easen your work. So I'll show you what it can do. First of all, go to Google and search for ChatGPT or OpenAI. There you go. Go to Google, search for that. The first link is a blog about the AI, but our aim today is on the main thing, which is the AI. Let me scan for it. Oh, it's here. So you open that link, chat.openai.com. Open that link up. Then from there you can just sign up if you don't have an account, or log in if you already have an account. I've opened one, so I'll just log in. Continue with Google, then select the account that you opened with. And there you go, that's the website for the AI. Just click next, then done. I've read that. I'll select the dark mode because I like the dark mode. So let's give it a task by typing in this chat box, write a Python code to calculate BMI. I want to calculate BMI in Python, and this AI will give us the code. So there it's working, giving us the code very fast, as you can see. And there you go, you have your code, and it also has a memory. For example, you can convert this code again. Literally, you can just convert this code from Python to JavaScript. So I'll do that in a few. So let me convert it to JavaScript. No. Convert the code to JavaScript. Let me convert it to JavaScript. Then press enter or hit enter. So there you go. It's converting our code again to JavaScript very fast. And there you have your code in JavaScript. It also comes with more information after it's written your code. So for example, let me open another tab so that I can run the Python code to prove that it actually works. I'll open this one from Programmiz. Let me remove this code, then I will paste our code in there. I will remove that code, then copy this code and bring it to our compiler. Then I love the dark mode always because it's good for your eyes. You can see there is our code. Then just hit run and your code will run immediately. Enter the weight in kilograms. I'm 68. Then my height is just 1.67. Your BMI is 24. Wow. I think I'm heading to overweight. Should work on I think I should work on that weight and see my BMI. So there you go, that's your code. You can also try something else with the ChatGPT. I'll go back to our chat box or message box. Then I want to write a cover letter. My cover letter, maybe a tech cover letter. Write me a tech cover letter. I want to apply for a tech job. And there you go, it will write for you as many paragraphs as possible. And you can just play around with this AI to figure out more about it. This is just a snippet, but if you want more, you can just leave a comment and I'll do for you a video on other stuff it can do. There is your tech cover letter. Let me write another one for the sales person cover letter. And there you go. It's writing the cover letter as fast as possible. Can imagine this doing for you. So all you have to do is just do some small editing and you are good to go. Thank you for watching. It's been great having you in the video. So please remember to follow and subscribe if you're new to this channel and this page. I'll see you in the next video, and also you can leave a like as well. Don't forget to do that so that we can keep posting videos for you here. And remember, the website is chat.openai.com/chat. Yeah, see you in the next video.